Lovely. So this is our dinner tonight. Today Abhishek, me and Chaitanya decided to walk into a random place in Kolkata to eat. This is a place called Old Monks, which is amazing. Ma, you have to try.
Okay. Vlog करिस नी?
Vlog.
Vlog करिस?
Vlog.
Vlog.
Not blog, vlog. Video log, vlog.
Okay. Vlog
Of course করেছি রোল বানানোর ভিডিও নিচ্ছি
As usual.
I'll have to try this place. Let's see now. We'll just walk. Where's Chetan?
He's on a joy.
Wow.
এটা আলু এগ রোল, একটা এগ ম্যাক্স পটেটো রোল।
Mashed potato with eggs. Amazing. আপনার নাম কি?
আমার নাম সুনীল।
Today, thank you for letting me into the kitchen. Lovely. Look at that crisp paratha. This you can get only in Kolkata. চাট মশলা দেবে তো?
হ্যাঁ,
বাহ,
এটা চাট মশলা
ইয়েস।
দিয়ে দিই।
As usual.
I'll have to try this place. Let's see now. We'll just walk. Where's Chetan?
He's on a joy.
Best thing about Kolkata is you can just walk into a place which has yum food. I can see kebabs. I can see an amazing menu. I have to see what this is. What a cute place. Whoa. Oh, nice. I'm here with the right company.
ম্যাম আপনি বসুন, আমি রোলটা নিয়ে আসছি।
In the kitchen also.
এর ভেতরে
ভীষণ
কখন বললি?
গিয়ে রান্না কর। তুই এটা কি দেখছিলি? I just ordered. এসে গেছে। এটা তোর জন্য। This is my egg roll.
উইথ ম্যাশড পটেটো।
Yeah, it's a egg roll with mashed potato. This is something I have had long ago with stop drooling. Crispy roll, nip in the air.
মাইন্ড ব্লোয়িং।
Chicken hariali kebab. Classic fish and chips. I need to steal a fry. Salt and pepper mushroom. Oh, it's nice and crispy. And juicy. Me likes. This looks like fresh bhetki. I'm going to put a little lemon on it. Some tartar sauce. My first fish and chips I've had in Kolkata only. Kolkata has always had the best continental food and affordable compared to every other place. Anyway,
অলসো ট্রাই দ্য ম্যাশড পিস।
you have the peas. I'm going to have aloo bhaja. Cheers.
ও আই ক্যান হিয়ার দ্য ক্রাঞ্চ।
Baba.
কান্ট ওয়েট।
I know. It's so crunchy. তুই মটরশুঁটিটা খেয়ে বলিস কিন্তু।
হ্যাঁ খাবো, এটার সাথেই খাবো।
ও
মাই গড,
so good.
অ্যামেজিং।
This is the best thing. We walked into a random place and it's good. Hi. Mushroom is good, huh?
It's amazing. It's crunchy
Yeah.
and the flavors are
On
must
spot.
try.
Perfect for your after office.
Absolutely.
You need to join me and Abhishek for these random places we walk into in Kolkata. This is Old Monks, and I'm going to find more of these, huh?
Yes.
Amazing.
Madam, atta chicken momo.
Oh wow, atta. Oh, and with soup. This is the best thing. Not everywhere they give you a soup with a momo. I'm trying this atta momo, which I've never had. Taking little sauce. These momo sauces are really spicy. Oh my god. It's like maida only, just better. Ooh, I have to have this soup, a good broth. It's a correct broth, you know. It's not too salty. It's not got that chicken smell. Old Monks is good. I'm gonna walk into more places like this. You will also with me, Abhishek.
Okay.
Try one momo, yeah.
Amazing.
Amazing, huh?
Atta momo. But what I like is that the layer is not very thick.
Absolutely.
It's amazing.
Hunan chicken, mixed Szechuan mayfood. So this is the best thing about Kolkata. Chinese and roll is consistently good everywhere. What do you say?
Of course.
This is not a weight loss video. Some chicken. Let me try this. ये तुम लोग को ऐसा और भी जगह ढूंढना है हम लोग को जाके ऐसे खाने का है पक्का. I love doing this.
I think we will be in a food coma after this.
Yeah, totally. No, it was ages since I just walked into a place, you know. Oh, so good. It's got this little sweet and tangy flavor. This has got a smoky flavor.
That's Hunan, na? Hunan chicken is
And
sweet
I like it. I
sourish.
like a little sweet in my food, you know.
Mixed my phone noodles.
It's not my phone.
It's my phone.
My food.
My phone.
My food.
My phone.
My food.
My phone.
Adit, kha.
The gravy?
I know. Fishy.
I know. It's amazing. But I must say, you can have this noodles just by itself also. It's
That's
so
the
tasty.
best thing about Kolkata
It's
noodles.
so amazing, the noodles.
আমি খুব বড় ফ্যান আপনার রিভিউ দেখি আপনার ব্লগ দেখি আমার খুব ভালো লাগে এটা আমাদের তরফ থেকে
Thank you.
থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম
Thank you. তোমার নাম?
রুমা দাস
রুমা দাস। ফাটিয়ে দিচ্ছ। তুমি কিছু বানিয়েছো এখানে?
না আমি এখানে কিছু বানাইনি
হ্যাঁ?
আমি জাস্ট আমি কোনো বানাইনি
আমি তো ভেতরে দেখলাম কারা বানাচ্ছে। ভীষণ সুন্দর মন দিয়ে বানাচ্ছে। কি পরিষ্কার কিচেন।
এটা অবভিয়াসলি আমাদের রাখতে হবে
This is where we are eating. And the food is fabulous. Ooh, burnt garlic fried rice with egg, Chaitanya. How is it?
Amazing.
It smells good, huh?
The garlic flavor is bang on.
I can smell it from here.
You and you realize in Kolkata, all the fried rice and noodles, you don't even need a gravy. It's so
I'm
flavorful.
lucky I'm in Kolkata now.
Duh. Yummy. We're sitting outdoors and we're having a brownie with chocolate sauce. I'm loving this place, Sheki. Tu bhi thoda kha le. And of course
Smelling
with
amazing.
some Darjeeling tea. I've eaten a lot.
See, with me, no matter how much I have eaten, no,
Muh meetha.
it has to end with something sweet. Okay.
Amazing. Crunchy. Crunchy.
Actually, very nice.
Very nice.
It's brilliant.
And this is what I have packed so I can give my mother also. Now you have to try.
Okay.
Szechuan mefu.
Oh, lovely.
This is chicken atta momo. This is burnt garlic fried rice.
Wow.
Yeah, we went just ঢুকে পড়েছি খেতে.
ব্লগ করিস নি
Vlog.
ব্লগ করিস
Vlog.
ব্লগ
Not blog, vlog. Video log. ওখানে একটা ডগি এসে আমার সাথে অনেক আদর করলো কি হ্যান্ডসাম ওর নাম হচ্ছে মহাদেব হ্যাঁ না wasn't that fun? So what's your dinner?